Okay, hi. I want to talk to you about a sound, which is called Om. I wonder whether you pronounce it A-U-M or O-O-M or O-M itself. It's a sound which is, I understand, or you understand, to be the sound that is echoing through the universe. And if you attain or get or hear that sound within you, you would find that blessed place of one consciousness. And I believe in that sound. And I hear that sound all the time. It is a sound that is being heard only when I'm in silence, when I'm with myself. If I'm thinking about something, if I'm thinking about what's happening in the world, I don't generally hear that sound. But I hear that sound only when I'm with myself, when I'm contemplating myself, and when I'm alone by myself. I guess some people are afraid of being alone, so they generally don't get to that place. Because even when they are by themselves, alone, their mind will go out their mind. They'll move out into another place and they'll start thinking about politics, thinking about religion, thinking about everything else that their mind can catch on, especially those things which concerns them. They will start thinking because they're generally some uncertain, they're not very certain about themselves, so they keep thinking and thinking and thinking. So I hope you're not like that. I hope you're able to relax yourself. I hope you're able to get to gather yourself to your own self and to speak to yourself rather than to speak to everyone else but without speaking to yourself. I hope you find yourself the most wonderful friend that you ever had in your life. So if you do find yourself very lovable, if you are happy with yourself as you are, then it is likely that one of these days you will sense a sound of Om. And I personally believe, that everyone has to get to that place of Om. Not because the Om is a special place, but rather because Om is a place you would call me, M-E. Om is a place where you feel at home with. Om is where you truly are. And everyone should get there, because that's the place of peace, of love, of extreme love, and satisfaction. If you feel that the purpose of life is making wealth, the purpose of life is taking care of what is around you, which is true, good for you, and if you feel that the general purpose of life is to accumulate, to learn more, to get more things in your mind, all these things are good, provided you have found me. Provided you have found that place, your home ground, where your presence is found. And if you have found that, then your expansion can begin from there. If you haven't found that, then all that you have spent it onto, everything that you gain in this world, will not really benefit. Because if you haven't found the fulcrum, which is your own me, whatever you have found in this world is meaningless. That's why generally, whenever I give my little videos, which is really for my own sake, these videos that I make, but it's fun, and I like to create my own videos, and if you happen to see them, it is fun too. But generally, my voice would be to tell you to get to the place of your me. Not somebody else's me, not a fictitious person out there that you would adore. I'm not asking you to get to anybody other than yourself. Yourself is the most important, and I hope you have found yourself and nothing else but your own being. Every week, every day, every moment that I wake up in my life, the greatest feeling that I have is me. It's not the selfish me, sorry to say that, it's not the selfish me, but it's just me. And that's the purpose of my video right now.